Amazon drivers are hanging phones in trees to get more deliveries. I know, it's very strange. I had difficulty. I had to double take that as well. I was like, how does that help? Well, apparently Amazon's dispatch, first of all, just to give you a background here, tons of Amazon deliveries going on recently, and they're rapid. They happen fast. It's almost like a kind of like an Uber effect or a DoorDash type of scenario where you have these contractors essentially they're waiting for jobs, right? In the same way, oh, somebody ordered the food. Okay, cool. I'll go pick it up. I'll bring it to them. Same way with packages. Now, the way these things are distributed is it would send out a request for a potential delivery to drivers that are close to the distribution where the distribution's coming from. Well, of course, it's hard for a person to just sit there all day when they're just doing jobs on and off and all the rest. So people try to figure out ways to game it. These delivery guys you can make a fair amount of money doing this. It's called Amazon Flex, and it lets drivers make deliveries in their own cars. Amazon's dispatch system detects which drivers are closest to a pickup location. You get an alert on your phone, come do the pickup, but you have a limited amount of time to say yes or no before the next person gets the job. So what they try to do to game the system is they set up a bunch of phones as relay points nearby the dispatch center so they can get a ping even if they're not nearby. And I'm going to go one step further on the craziness of this. Apparently, once the job is acquired, there's like a reselling that goes on of the job. So the job might be worth $18. And the dude who set up the gig to get the ping in the first place, he could sell the job for $10, keep 8, never move a muscle.
Huh.
And also sell the job, I don't know why, but it was suggested in the article to somebody who might not have a license or meet other certain requirements to be able to be a member of Amazon Flex.
Oh, I see. Yeah, like pay them under the table kind of thing.
You see where I'm going here.
So they hide the phones near the distribution center.
They actually hang them in a tree near the distribution center. People have taken photos. Some suggest that Amazon frowns upon it. Others say Amazon knows the game's going on and they kind of let people get away with it. You can probably find a picture. I selected this Engadget article, but you can probably find a picture if you look real quick. Just type Amazon drivers, phones, trees. See, you see how that works, Will? Just get those keywords. Yeah, look. See, so there's images, bizarre images of phones hanging in trees that some have photographed. It's very strange, but man, talk about 2020 times, Will, where you're just walking down the street, you see a tree full of phones, you just keep walking in 2020.
No, I would,
No, you don't, Will. You don't ask questions. You don't know who's running this rig.
It's some phone picking.
Yeah, you don't know what they got on the line. It's a crazy workaround for Amazon's rules, but you got to love human ingenuity. I mean, assuming it's legal and no one's being hurt, maybe somebody is getting hurt. I don't know.